Patrick Muzzy. Julia Salazar. Trav Wynn. Connor Daniels.
And yes, we prepped this.
Brandon Ward.
Antonio.
Kayla Bottle. Brian Booker.
You tried to give it back.
That's probably how we practice.
Yeah, that's right.
Antonio Commissar.
Woo!
Victoria Michelle.
Antonio. 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 Let me see.
All right, presenting our class of 2014. Thank you so much for bringing your kids here. We have loved every minute of it. I also have, we have something we would like to give someone who comes in almost every Wednesday for the last 2 years and read books to my class. If you've ever wondered who Grandma Helen is, that is Grandma Helen. We love Grandma Helen Wednesdays, the kids talk about it, and I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule. Like I said, I've had a couple of these kids for a couple of years, and I've seen a lot of them from small to big, so I'm really excited for them to go to kindergarten, but they will all be missed greatly because they're a great bunch of kids. All right, so we have one more song we'd like to sing about where we're going in the fall.
Okay.